Hello everyone, I am Deep Shah and welcome to our channel Experience Candles. This is the 13th episode of our Candid series where we invite guests from various fields to share their experiences and learnings. I'm sure these learnings will help you in your personal and professional life. So, who is our today's guest? She is a TEDx speaker and head coach at tedx. She is also a joshtalks speaker, a soft skill trainer with niche in communication skills. She is an ICF CCE certified life and executive coach. She is the founder of As the Stage, a professional speaker who has conducted many sessions at prominent corporates and colleges. She is also the author of the book titled Finding the Chromosome X. She is a distinguished Toastmaster and helps many people in improving their public speaking skill at Toastmasters Club of Vadodara. Dear viewers, please welcome one and only Pinky Bahroos. Good evening, Pinky.
Wow. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you so much, Deep, for that introduction. Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming to our channel and thank you for sparing your valuable time for this.
Honor is mine.
So I think I met Pinky ma'am in one of the event for I think arranged by ISTD, and it was a Innovative Trainers Award where I think I was the only trainer and Pinky was innovative also. She was trainer also and she won award also. So intentionally I kept that aside that she was a runner-up in that event. So congratulations once again, Pinky, for the same.
And thank you for that. And I've seen your performance also. I loved how you had presented. So amazing. And thank you. Once again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pinky. So Pinky, as you know, this is our Candid series where we invite guests, we interact with them, they share their experiences, then we discuss their learnings and share with our viewers. So would like to know what exactly do you mean by public speaking skills? And how do you get into, improving your public speaking skills?
Right. So what are we doing now? We are interacting, right? We are talking to each other.
Right.
That is also public speaking.
Okay.
So what does the word public speaking mean? It's speaking with the public. Whenever you interact, whenever you talk with daily, every day, every minute, we are interacting. So for me, what is public speaking? Initially, I used to think that, hey, public speaking, maybe it's being on stage and, addressing the audience. But no, it is that, but it's also interacting. It's connecting with your audience, and it involves enhancement. And what I mean by enhancement not only of the audience, because whenever you're speaking, we share our knowledge, right? But it's also enhancements of the speaker.
Okay.
Because it's not only that, audience learns from us. Many a times we are learning from our audience.
Okay.
So it's actually breaking the ice. Interaction, connection, and enhancement. That's public speaking for me.
Okay. Okay.